ana mebo mo abro se asemwe mama yankasa amfa ho a very serious say yeni age wo hwa Christmas through yeni age, but we actually need to check our lifestyle. Dr. Daniel Asare wono ne ye kase Kolebu Teaching Hospital wono na watiano wono na woye CEO of Kolebu Teaching Hospital woden sembi aba beto abonten na wose Ghana for senior nsem ekono wose ye hweso ye, otherwise yare bia cheche nkrofo no enkane no na enyesa enete na wono po de wose de ne ya ene se saa yare bia enyesa ye bia wo bi nam na wo de ho kokana na wenya enyesa ye bia oni obi sebe ekoda na wo benya saa yare bia sebe ye lifestyle enyama bia ye di yenye exercise abrabo bia ye bono eno na ema yare we edi Ghana fonya ende amene wo kasa intino what the list of top 10 diseases that are actually killing Ghanaians as far as 2019 is concerned. See ye 2019 yare a ekum nkrofo pan ewo Ghana no na wode aba abeto yenim se yembo de ro na trese munso munya bi enti na munim se Ghana has say ye can very very big hospitals are we can Kolebu na waka konfo anoche na waka 37 these are the very very big hospitals in Ghana. Inti if these hospitals are even recording these diseases are someone who say very serious. Now the first yare our boss so chronic kidney disease ebimo ebe friend say kidney failure. Now was it sa kidney failure yi health life issue healthy healthy activity issue in the sense sebe won live wo bra yie na amama kai story bi se mo kai actor ya friend no wayosi wo be yare ya nkofo ka se wayosi ewu wayosi bewu a trese yehu picture na wa ho no sebe na kidney failure na achi wayosi na ngasa wo kan se ansa na wo benya sa kidney failure no na yo bi a wono de wo sori anope bia na ensa wo sori anope bia ensa ne nam every single day wo rensa no wo renam ati ase enti no ene ade a ba na yase sa chronic kidney disease ye, it is caused by diabetes and high blood pressure. Na yase this year wo 2019 na ekum Ghana for pa na in 2018 alone no, the number of people who actually died from chronic kidney disease is 547 in 2000 and last year. Now this year we share numbers now akosro enompo yemfa ne say we Kolebu Teaching Hospital pe na record no every ho ayeden aba the other hospitals ne de yenka ho asem ye na wo wie ye no na trese wasanso ebo another yare bia so munia menim say munim sa yare ne ye friend stroke ononso was it this year nkwa Kolebu 488 people na stroke sebi ekun omo TB tuberculosis ye na de ye nim say enya yare a ebia health issue na de won wo bi bowa ene nyama na wo nam nchen ya obetumi enya tuberculosis ni nta na de bia ye ka say wo bowa fa handkerchief bi na fakata wano na bowa enye se we bekwa ko bowa na tese wa be mo obi yare it tuberculosis ni so no 277 people and I say a stray from tuberculosis. Hypertension so abrabo you better say hey I don't get the right word, but hypertension so you better say life issue send your obo bra ebia wonye exercise wonye se no hypertension so sa and so 223 people and pneumonia de akoy say enframa ekọ mu pa and pneumonia no etumi esi and so 221 etiefo diabetes so 201 cardiac failure cardiac failure I say eno na ebi mo type friend say heart attack ati ase and also 195 people. Anemia, severe anemia, 162. Yare bi wo ho me omudini de ase me share that enim but me bobo dino still actual say yare bi wo ho I don't actually know how it is. Once you bo ebia diabetes a wunim diabetes e shitri yare but yare bi wo friend o say pleural effusion. Na sa pleural effusion 105 people. Hepatitis B and a viral infections and also 71 people. It's here for inti waka say in the year 2019 and sa number say ayebo ni na nya say sebe wo mu a wo mu nya yare no we ye wo mu a yare no eku wo mu in 2019 into hwe say chronic kidney disease ekum encrofo over 500 close to 600 people in 2019 alone. I was saying who say achi bebre ye ka say yare no aye ebia the number of people are yare no abo mo a and they different. The alarming thing is the number of people the sickness has killed. Me assure say me boss say stroke in Crawford 488 and I say ewu no me boss an number no me assure say na bia wuji di say eye wo mo a stroke no achi wo mo da bi we ye wo mo a stroke no eku wo mo just in that year 488 people. And as 488 people and you say Ghana ni now just in Kolebu wo mo a wo mo di stroke e ba Kolebu a ye ji wo mo to ho a wo mo wu ye just in 2019 no eye 488 e wo Kolebu pe yenko Konfanoche ye yenko 37 yenko other regional and district hospitals no ye. Into this is an extremely serious thing. I was a yenina ye na ye bought your home buying na ye live a good life, healthy life. She say hypertension enkwa ewo Kolebu keke ekum nkrofo 223. It is very alarming, extremely alarming. Na wo wie ye no na wo ka say yare wei eye yare bia mostly no what na faako wo nye exercise wo gain weight wo ye kese wo so wi a wo ye kese ene sa nyama na yare wei eye den e chew intino wasre o wo a wo de at least if for nothing at all kra na in a week no wo de want to me anya exercise kra na wo de 2 times in a week wo so wi ahomache ananwumra wo de ko jogging kakra 5 minutes o say 10 minutes jogging kra na enye hwe waye bi. It's a start. Wo sha asiesa e bia 2 times a week. Wo sha asiesa wo be ye master wo mo say etole bia wo sha jogging asia. Wo ye say wo ko jogging ahomache a utumi notice wo strength. Say oh e bia wo dwane 5 minutes 10 minutes bia na wa bre. Wo de ye ne sa 5 minutes 10 minutes o bra nante na ko ofie ko dware nada. Sa wo be say once you are doing it, once you are consistent, no, we will say naturally, no, your strength will be building up, and then the numbers or the minutes will be going up. We will say, "Utu mi kwa 5 minutes na afei, kwa 5 minutes na we will say, "Wom brebium, ube de bia 15 minutes na wate bread, and no, we move ya ko inim no. We understand. We will say, by the end of the year, no, na say, unsu wenya pomodin wenya hondin, will stamina no a build fine. Na say, and also. We will lose weight no. It was most of yare we are abey because Ghanaians don't exercise. Ghana for yet na faako na ye gain weight. Na say ye nya time nya exercise. Masa, it's only in Ghana and I yen take ye health seriously. Na me no me ka enye se me yi me ho afim ye ni na ye kan bi. Mostly in Ghana yen take your health serious. Yen hu ne say oh e was say me exercise ma pomudin ye be twen ya we no ebo na eye serious answer wo ko hospital. In other cases krano at least in a year no na nke was say to me ko check up at least 3 times in a year. Wo dey find say every 3 months. Wo find say every 3 months I will go check up 4 times in a year. But what dey wo hwe ne say eye we e ma wo dey find say every 4 months we go check up. 4 months bia no wako hospital oh me moja no say neti me sugar level no say neti we say neti what you say your health I don't know but sometimes no means me when say it is our culture. Because senior, I hate to make such comparison, but we share senior in Brofofo we take you health serious. Health check, not just a hospital, aircon. Ghana there, I don't know, but as a free and collaborate, no, yeah, they are share with him say, oh, Yarians, I will call hospital. And you know, Obi Hune say one Yaria, what's the need for him to go to the hospital? Ati say Ghana who say Christo ni bekwa sorry na wakoma testimony say hey this whole year man call hospital bako krada hey me nyame ayo nyankopon waye bio the whole year man call hospital bako krada me Christo ni na minim say ye cancer amankrofo hu say yes nyame aboa me man yare, but that is a mentality we don't need to encourage. So what I said this year one call hospital bako krada ebi eno na man grofo efi say oh we are repair and I was say we call hospital and going to the hospital is something bad. It is say we have mentality no. We no can say this year one call hospital bako krada no one who say ebi a wan yare o. Yare bi eni hwa eba enisuo nti no mo hu ne say oh what yapo. Now so who ni mu inside. At least a one yare kra na call hospital. What can this year man call hospital crowd and man call hospital just say we know the Asian trim say we yare and say what say we call hospital. Senior me din kan earlier on no, I'm not taking myself out from this thing. Ye ni na ye who be same 2019 the number of times I me call hospital. I only went to the hospital when I was sick. Into me yare I me call and then I say okay and there mo fanya check up and so ema me. Ah we mo dey check up and say oh everything is okay. Ah we mo ma me dro ni nyama. What you say? Yeni na sebe unless for more yan shadan wo mo antete omo e wo Ghana na yeni na ye wo yen yetete yen e wo Ghana no ade we ya ade bia e da yen na so a lot of people are dying mesre memma enkoye se bebi edu no emu ayeden ansana nkofo bi wo ho a ya hwe hihye omumu akaka krebi na chese omu ye nkrofo bia wo mu ewu kra omu nam ho ni na omu ewu na so onu hu ne se wote apo obon so obekọ akoda na wan sorry na obewe na wan sorry obeka se no wo si ni ti na ne yakeke o e na wo akoda se bi wo fi mu yi o na bibia anye no the next day you sorry ya yesi wewu eni so na emba nti yen hu ne se bibia anye no but inside sa story bi sa em say na say Bishop Nyako say say ma yesi wa yare serious no so no so say sa no say we call hospital for check up ye the check up and a doctor ne ka say dabi we dey me njaa ma won kofie yare bi di umu serious yan hwe ya me jaa ma wo kofie ende yan hwe wa wo bewu inti na nko wan call hospital no say check up etiefo na nka ende ebia Bishop Nyako kran no sebe na nkende ebia na wonti ase ati ase inti no eno ene ade a eda oni yenja asa asem no ye ko asori ayese ende the whole way man call hospital me dabi go to the hospital and check up ko me check out me moja me say me BP eya na edrobe na se me fa ese me ko exercise do check up me sremo mon tra ma jo comment box ni mo me da se